Yes, so hello from my side also. As already said, like I'm Leon Silvan Lorenz. I'm an international student here from Germany in the M1 year here at Central. Next slide.
Okay.
So yeah, I was born in Berlin in 2000, where I also graduated from school, where I did the Abi-Bac, which is kind of interesting. That means I graduated in German and in French, so that's why I already had like a closer relation to France. So there was like always a reason for me to choose a master degree or maybe a bachelor degree in France. Um, so after my graduation, regarding to my background, I did a bachelor degree in biomimetics at the Westphalian University of Applied Science in Germany, which is an engineering degree more focused on trying to solve technical problems with the help of the living nature. And yeah, then currently in the environmental track of the complex systems engineering master here at Central Mediterranee. I'm doing this slightly special program in cooperation with the Université Côte d'Azur, as it was already told. So I'm doing the first year here at Central in the environmental track, and the second year, so apart from September, I'm moving to Nice to do the master for engineers for smart cities, where you can also apply for once you're here if this is something that interests you. So uh, you either have like even more possibilities once you're here. Mm, yeah. On top, which was really nice for me, I was chosen for the Tiger Master Excellence Scholarship this year, which is like a scholarship you automatically apply when you apply for the master, which helps you with 10,000 euros and a reservation in a cruise residence. For international students, like in their first education here in France. So this is really nice plus point to the master, but Alice is going to tell you more about this one later. Yeah, so coming to the life at Central, um, the courses like I have from day to day are mostly held by professors, but it was also said that we have like a huge amount of for example, research or engineers coming from industry who are also teaching about their special field. So you get like a insight of a wide range of topics throughout all the master, which is quite interesting. Mm, then the internships. I already did my winter internship, was for example in IOFE with Olivier Boiron to get like this more of a dive into research, and then the summer internship, as it can also be in a company to get like into the working life a bit. Then what's also nice is the Nice trip, for example. What we did last year, this is to visit the Nice campus and also the IMWIT, which was for me especially quite nice because I already saw my new campus for the next year. And we also had like a small visit of the Park Phoenix, for example, where we had like a huge variety of plants and animals around with a nice guided visit with all the other students. So yeah, I think coming to another or like the biggest advantage next to the studies is like the international relations. So I'm in a small group of international students, for example, from Italy, Chile, Mexico, Colombia, Lebanon, Morocco. And of course, as we're here in French and we have many French engineering students, you also have some French connections. Um, but it's like really or for me, it was really nice to get in tech more with other students because I studied in a very small town before in Germany, which was sometimes a little bit frustrating, not being around many people, and they were more like, yeah, just occupying about the life they had before, and now you get like into contact with many more cultures, and it's really nice to be that open to this one. Yeah, regarding the accommodation, I live in La Juliette, which is like a really nice quartier in Marseille next to the sea. So I'm directly between like a really nice shopping center and the Cathédrale de la Major. That's why it might be a bit more expensive. It's like I live alone in a small apartment. That's why I pay around 800 euros. But normally, most of my friends here are in colocation, in flat shares. For example, in 5 Avenue and behind the Vieux-Port, which are also like really nice residential quartiers. So they pay a bit less, around 400 to 600. But as I also said, for example, with the Tiger scholarship, you get this cruise reservation. There are multiple residences around Marseille, where you will definitely find an accommodation which is between 200 and 300 euros, so much more affordable. Yes. So coming to the last point I want to talk about, it's of course the other benefits of being in Marseille. Of course, you also come here for the city, um, which is with being a coastal city in the south of France with all these nice weather and the sea next by, like a really nice yeah, experience you can have. For example, for me as a German guy living in a big city, having not much water around, very cold weather all the time. So for me especially, was really nice. And yeah, you have many opportunities to go out during day or during night. Like there are many nice museums, a lot of history, cafes, bars, or even clubs for the night, where you should, of course, watch out a bit. It's better to stay in groups and like stay in the safer parts of Marseille. But in the internet, Marseille is treated a bit worse than it really is. So the image changed much over the years, and it's really agréable here in Marseille. Even my parents like it. And
Even
yeah,
your parents.
even my parents. And they were a bit scared before, but like now they really like it because the people are very open compared to Nice, for example,
Yeah, yeah.
which the people are a bit more closed. So they were really happy. And yeah, so if you join this master, I suggest you to use every chance you get to jump into the sea because you never know when it's going to be the next time and discover like the nature around with the Kalong or the Côte Bleue, which you can of course also see on my pictures. Yeah, so that was for me. Thank you and